You're the opposite of me, like sun and rain, and drama on the TV. It's full of pain, but we're the good part, the happy ending.
Hi guys, welcome. Today's video I brought you guys a bedroom makeover. This is my son's bedroom, and like as you can see, it is a mess. So just so you guys know, it's been a couple of weeks since I clean his room. I usually have him pick up his clothes and toys and stuff, but this mess, it was long overdue. I needed to come and kind of fix his room for him. But today is his birthday and I wanted to make his room look nice and stuff, and then I ended up going to Walmart, get some stuff and give him a complete bedroom makeover. So I wanted to record it because it was so affordable to make his room look roomy and nice. So I wanted to invite you guys in and enjoy this transformation with me. So with that being said, I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the video. I'm gonna put all the prices, the things that I bought or new today. I'm gonna put all the prices at the bottom of the video. So if you are interested, don't take your eyes off the TV or the computer or phone, whatever you're watching, because the price is gonna be right there. So to start with, I just put all his clothes away and I'm gonna broom and kind of rearrange the room. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, because this is just the beginning in the journey of decorating my house, because we just purchased a home. So go ahead and subscribe, you won't regret it. And go ahead and enjoy. I'll pop by later if I feel like I need to explain anything later.
One step away from having it all. Boyfriend, girlfriend, a fancy car. You're insatiable, you just want more. Climbing mountains, crushing your goals, but you put your happiness on hold. Still waiting to start living. You need to know you're beautiful, you're perfect just like you are. Release your control, start to let go. Take a night off and let yourself go a little crazy. Crazy, crazy. Release your control, let your body go a little crazy. Just crazy, crazy. Let your body go. Live your life like you're winning. Pressure in it. You've been struggling too long. Now it's time to move on and tell the truth like you mean it. Listen to yourself and hear it, and you'll start to remember how to surrender. You need to know you're beautiful, you're perfect just like you are. Release your control, start to let go. Take a night off and let yourself go a little crazy. Crazy. Release your control, let your body go a little crazy. Just crazy. Crazy. Let your body. You need to know you're beautiful, you're perfect just like you are. Release your control, start to let go. Take a night off and let yourself go a little crazy. Crazy. Crazy, yeah. Release your control, let your body go a little crazy. Just crazy, it's so crazy.
what I want the most in my life. They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn. No, deep down I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. Oh, you wanna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and had me in your arms? If I could make you see it, baby, would be something, something to make the starlight jealous up above. Oh, you make me up, hey, lights go out when I see you moving up, hey, light me up. I love when you groove like that. Oh, hey, could be us, kissing in the moonlight. Hey, I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. Sometimes you think about all the ways I'm making you smile. I know I am what you need, and boy, you're just my type. Deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. We're gonna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and had me in your arms? Oh, you make me up, hey, lights go out when I see you moving up, hey, light me up. I love when you groove like that. Oh, hey, could be us, kissing in the moonlight. Hey, I'm just saying, if I
right, y'all, I hope you enjoyed the video. This is the finished look. I think I did so good being that I didn't have a big budget. Actually, I didn't have a budget at all, but I made it work, and this cost me less than $200. The curtain, the sheets, and the little decors, the little arts. My son loved green and loved Minecraft, so I made sure I covered some green. The green mug you see, the that have the pencil, it's a mug that I bought him for Christmas, and it's too square, he can't drink in it. So I figured I would put it in his room as an art and put his pencils and stuff, and he loved that. And he loved poop emojis, and I saw the pillow, I was like, oh my god, he's gonna love that. And the chair, the blue chair, I got at Burlington Coat Factory. So this is it. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I'll see you on the next one.